everyone, it's Paulie. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So right now we're about to do a tutorial on toilet cleaning. Now this is for all you guys out there that are either living alone or husbands that want to know what their wives go through. It's an easy job. If you're a guy, it takes 5 minutes to do, and you know, it's one of the dirtier jobs, and us guys do the dirty jobs. So it's I actually take great pride in keeping my toilet clean. So we're about to do that now. So what you'll need are some cleaning materials. We've got some spray, some cleaner, some peroxide, some paper towel and a scourer. We've got a hot mop bucket and mop and broom, and also a little dustpan, and we've got the last of the bin. Now there's a method for my madness. So first thing off, we're going to sweep the floor and get all the dirt off, because it's easier doing it now rather than later. And the other important thing we'll need is a wipe. So first off, we'll get the spray, the cream and the peroxide. We're going to give on. So as you can see, we've got everything down there covered, all up there, inside there, on the floor, and that is how you clean a bathroom perfectly. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If there's any tips or hints on how to do it better or hacks, let us know. Otherwise, happy cleaning and stay clean everyone. Peace out.